Hello friends, have you been wondering about what suits your best dealer or local garage for your next car service? After watching this video, I am sure you will surely get a strong solution to your dilemma. Next time your car needs a service, kindly don't presume that the trusted independent garage local fast fit outlet is the cheapest option. Your local garage option may sound appealing in terms of saving a few bucks, but relying on an underplayer would surely compromise on the quality services you are looking for in your vehicle. Here are the solid reasons as to why you should opt for Windsor Mazda for your next car service. If you're on a tight schedule, we offer valet service including customer pickup, vehicle servicing, and a complimentary car wash. We have a state-of-the-art facility here in Windsor, Essex with comfortable waiting area, Wi-Fi zone, TV, cold beverages, and snacks. An early bird drop-off is available. Shuttle service is also available. When you sell your car, you worry that buyers will balk at non-dealer service records. With computerized service history, you can track the record of your service at Windsor Mazda, which helps your car get sold faster. What are you waiting for? Come and visit Windsor Mazda and get amazing car service. Thank you very much and have a great day.